Hey, I'm Basil from EDU-WIZARD. I'm making the tutorial videos for Ansys as well as Lotus Star. For more tips, subscribe the channel, and if you are a subscriber, to get notified, click the bell button. In this video, we are going to do the steady state thermal analysis. Okay, let us begin. First, go towards analysis settings. In the analysis settings, select the steady state thermal. Okay, the analysis setting is loaded, and now let us make the geometry. Double click on the geometric section. The design modeler is loading and it may take a few minutes. Okay, the design modeler is opened in a new window, and let us select the XYZ plane. Give the lookout option. Now let us go to the sketching and select the draw and draw two circles. We are going to analyze the steady state thermal analysis of a pipe. So we are going to draw the pipe. Let us draw the circle at the center. Let us give the dimension towards the circle. Go to the dimensions and take the general dimension. And I am giving the dimension of 80 mm. Sorry, I am giving it 200 mm. Now let us draw the second circle. Okay, the second circle is also drawn at an approximate diameter, and let us extrude the in-between portion. Sketch 1 is to be extruded, and go towards the extrude. Then the geometry is selected as sketch 1, and now we need to specify the depth of extrusion as 120 mm. So I am going to specify 120 mm. The operation I have selected is add material. There are three operations: add material, add frozen, cut material, and slice material. And from among that, I am selecting only add material. Now let us sketch another circle. Our geometry consists of two pipes. One is an inside pipe and another one is an outside pipe. And in between these two pipes, we are going to add a frozen region. That means an air will be in between the two. So I am drawing that circle. One circle is drawn and the next circle is also drawn. I am going to extrude that, and the geometry is sketch 2. Okay, click on apply, and now the material we need to change it to add frozen. Okay, I have finished extruding. Here is how it looks. Let us rotate it, and we can see that the inside portion is having a slight different contour. This is because it is having the air only. Now let us draw the second pipe structure. Create another sketch 3 and go towards the lookout, then select the circle. Then let us draw another pipe structure. This is the second pipe structure, and in between these two pipe structure there is air. Okay, let us extrude that. I am giving the operation as add material itself, since it is a separate material also. Finishing all that, generate. Then the extrusion is complete, and here is how it looks like. Two different pipe structures are visible over here. And now let us move towards modeling section. That's all about the geometry section. Modeling section is loaded. And now the modeling section has opened up. And first we need to go towards the assignment. The geometry is having 3 components, and these 3 components are required to be assigned. 2 components are assigned as concave structures, and the third in between center component is assigned as air. That I will be showing in the upcoming. Okay, I have generated the mesh, and the meshing is done. That part is done, and the complete geometry is just simply meshed. I am not creating any further changes in the meshing. Let us move towards the steady state thermal, and we need to insert the temperatures. Select the temperature tag, then select the phase which require the temperature, and the outer phase is selected. Since I am giving the outermost temperature, and outer temperature is 37.5 degrees Celsius. That's fine. Now I am giving the inside temperature, and I am going to select the temperature again. This is temperature 2, and inside temperature is also 20 degrees Celsius. That's 20 degrees Celsius, and I'm giving that. That's it's selected, or you need to select the inside phase. Okay, that's fine. Inside phase is selected, and the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. Initial temperature is always maintained at 22 degrees Celsius, and we need not alter that. Now let us give the solve. Before solving, let us insert the solution parts. I am inserting only the temperature part, and I am giving the solve. Okay, the solution is obtained here. You can see the temperature variations by different contours. The outermost will be having the highest temperature with 37.76 degrees Celsius, and the inside region the least temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. And earlier I talked about the different assignment. Now let us look the different assignment. Okay, let us see the color variations, and now let us create the probe. Let us measure different temperatures at different locations, and let us find out the maximum and minimum points. Minimum point is inside region, maximum will be the outermost region, and for finding out the temperature of any location, click on the probe option, and I am selecting the light blue colored region, and it is having a temperature of 27.24 degrees Celsius. And that's all about the steady state thermal analysis. Okay, thank you. Okay, for more tips and videos, subscribe the channel, and if you are a subscriber, click on the bell button to get notified